Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening the Settings app and getting basic requirements in place. Once done, check the app version and update it. Updates often unlock features. Next, make sure you grant microphone permission in privacy so voice chat can access audio. Sign into your account and connect to Wi-Fi or cellular. This prevents sync errors. These first actions ensure the app and device can support voice chat, so you won't be blocked by permissions or outdated software when you continue. Now you go into the app section inside Settings and find Communication or Voice Chat. You toggle the voice chat option on. This explicitly enables the feature at the system level. Once enabled, select your input and output devices, such as built-in mic, Bluetooth, or headset, so audio routes correctly. Make sure contact permissions match how you want calls handled. Allow contacts if you want easy access, or block unknown callers for privacy. These steps connect system permissions to app controls, making actual voice chat possible. Finish by confirming and testing voice chat with a short call in the app. You should hear incoming audio and see your mic level respond. This proves both send and receive paths work. If it seems inactive, restart the app or reboot the device. Simple resets clear hung processes. If problems persist, revoke microphone permission, then regrant it, or reinstall the app to refresh settings. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with a different headset or device to isolate.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.